Hi everyone. I hope you took the opportunity to practice page 187 and 188. And then I've gone ahead and I'm showing you the answers for page 188 on number 7. So on the previous page, you were to look at the pictures, fill in the tally charts, and how many animals you have of each. So it says, use the picture and your answer on page 187. Show the number of animals by coloring the oval in the graph. The title is Animals in the Picture. We have our animals, and then this is really important. We look at our key, and it says each oval stands for 2 animals. So for our kitten, we had 8 kittens, so we would need to color in 4 of the ovals. For the birds, we would need to color in 3 because we had 6. And for the rabbit, we had 14, so we needed to color in 7. Okay. And then for the hamster, we needed to color in 6. Okay. Different strategies we could have used to skip counting by 2s. We could have done repeated addition. We could have done division. Lots of different ways. You do what works best for you. We're going to go ahead and we're going to look now on page, let me quickly clear the screen, sorry. We're going to look on page 189. I do want everyone to do page 189. You're going to go ahead and you're going to count all the different kinds of stickers here. It says, these are 5 kinds of stickers Amy has. Count the number of stickers and complete the tally chart. Okay, so we'd start with the flowers. We could count how many flowers, put in the tallies. Remember, tallies are in groups of 5, and then how many stickers you have for each. This is a must-do for everyone, okay? Now I'm going to show you some can-dos on the next couple pages. So on page 190, on number 9, I do want all of you to fill in this from your chart on the previous number 8. Now here, this is a can do, okay? You're going to put a title, and then you're going to represent that each oval stands for 3 stickers, okay? So you can use your strategies of repeat addition to find out how many. You can use division. You can use multiplication. Everybody will use different strategies depending on where you are. But this for number 10 is a can do. All right. And then on page 191, these are going to be can do's as well. You're looking at, it says, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. So Peter, Roy, Chantel, and Amy are friends. They made up a story that takes place in outer space. Each drew pictures of his or her favorite thing for their story. So in Peter's picture, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rocket ships. And the key is each rocket ship stands for 4 spaceships. So we could use multiplication. Okay, we could use repeated addition. We would be adding 4. Okay, so it would look something like 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, and then find out what that equals. Or I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rockets, and each of them are worth 4. So that would be 5 times 4. And when I solve that, I would get 20. Okay, so again, this is a can-do page for page 191. And then on page 192. Those are really good practice for this week to help you. But for some of us, it's a little tricky when we're working with the fours. And I don't want you to feel frustrated, but for a lot of you, this is easy strategies. Again, do what's a good fit for you. And I will see you next time. Keep up the